Let me tell you a story. I'm on a trip with my family and some other people, and I have an awful headache. It's just terrible. I'm feeling off, I'm feeling tired, my head hurts. And we were in this bookstore, and I usually like bookstores, but they were all in German. So instead, I decided to sit down hoping that my pain, my headache will alleviate. And as I'm sitting there, a thought pops into my mind. And not just any thought, a thought of a man that I'm reading about. But not just any ordinary man. This man climbed to the death zone of Mount Everest in just shorts. Nothing else, just shorts without a shirt on. This man stayed submerged in ice for unbelievable times. He broke the beliefs of what a human is capable of. And in his book, he wrote about a certain breathing technique that he was doing. He praised it a lot and said that we're all capable of doing things like these with the power of the cold and our breath. So I thought to myself, let's put it to the test. Let's put this breathing technique to the test. Let me see for myself what it is capable of. Let's see if it can get rid of my headache. So as I'm sitting there, I start doing his breathing technique. Round 1 of the breathing, round 2, round 3, and as I finished the last round, round 3, I was shocked. Totally shocked. As I opened my eyes from the breathing session, finishing the breathing session, it feels like I was reborn, like I'm a whole new person. My headache was completely gone. I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling good actually. That I'm not feeling tired anymore. It feels like I have more energy. And all of this just by breathing in a certain way. Just by doing 3 rounds of this breathing technique, I got rid of my headache and I felt a lot better and a lot calmer. This is the power of the breath. And I can tell you countless other stories on the power of breath work. How one time my girlfriend had a headache and she did the breathing and bam, it was gone like that. How it makes me much more relaxed and present, more mindful. And it might sound wishy-washy, it might sound weird to you, these breathing techniques, all of this, it might sound weird, but trust me, don't judge it before you try it. I thought the exact same things as you might be thinking right now. But the moment I tried it and the moment I learned more about it, I've been doing it every single day. Almost every single day I've been doing this breath work. So before you judge it, before you click off this video saying that this is all bullshit, I don't believe any of this, just give it a try. Put it to the test as I have put it to the test. Just give it a try with no judgments. Now the breathing technique that I do is called the Wim Hof breathing or the Wim Hof Method. Wim Hof is the guy that I talked about in my story with the crazy world record climbing Mount Everest. And this guy, he helped a lot of people with his method. And this method consists of the breath, the breathing technique, cold exposure, and the power of the mind and mindset. He helped people who doctors told them that they had no chance. There was one guy with an eye disease, no doctor could help him. And the moment he went to Wim Hof, doing the cold exposure, the breathing technique, he has no problem with his eyes anymore. There was one woman, the doctor told him that she was going to be in a wheelchair within 6 months. Like she can't do anything about it. And she discovered Wim Hof, she went to him, and then after a couple of training with Wim Hof, after doing the method, they climbed Mount Everest together. Now, I'm not sure if it was Mount Everest, but I think that it was Mount Everest, but a huge mountain together. A woman who the doctor told her that she was going to be in a wheelchair. So this is how powerful this breathing technique and his method is. And this breath work and a lot of other breath works are just amazing for your health. This is what ChatGPT told me about the health benefits of this Wim Hof breathing. It says that it gives you more energy and alertness, improved immune system function, reduced stress levels, enhanced mental clarity and focus, better sleep quality, improved respiratory function, enhanced endurance and stamina, increased tolerance to the cold, positive impact on mood and well-being, potential for pain management, mind-body connection. The list goes on and on and on. A bunch of good stuff just by breathing. Now I'll leave a link in the description about the video that I made about this Wim Hof breathing. And I'll also leave other links to tutorials about this breathing, about videos that you can learn more about this Wim Hof method. So if you're interested, there are some links in the description. And also stick around till the end, because we're going to do one round of this breathing together, so that will be interesting. Now another reason why breath work is just so good is because it makes you more present and more mindful. And you see, the thing is that most of our suffering, most of our troubles comes from the fact that we're not present, that we're not mindful, that we're not here right now. We're overthinking, thinking about the future. We get lost in our thoughts, regretting the past, overthinking about what others think of us. And the list goes on and on and on. And one of the most valuable things that you can bring into any relationship, be it intimate relationship with your friends, your parents, your kids, whoever, is your presence. One of the best things that you can bring into a relationship is your presence. The depth of your presence, full, undivided attention. And you probably already noticed that people notice when you're not present. You can probably also notice when someone you're talking to, he's not present, he's not there, he's not really listening. And you can just in the same way feel when someone is giving you all of their attention, when they are there, fully present. And the reason is because 90% of the communication that we have is non-verbal. It's through our body and other stuff. And just as a quick tip, if you want to increase your presence, the depth of your presence and your awareness and your focus, you can also just breathe deeply throughout the day. Just take more deep breaths. That can help a lot, just as a quick tip. But people see when you're closed in on yourself, when you're unconscious, when you're not present, when you have tensions all over your body, and you're too concerned about yourself, curl in on yourself, people notice that. And breath work is just a great way to help this. It just makes you more aware, more present, but also more present in your body as you focus on your breath. And it makes you more peaceful, more calm. Every time I do a breathing, after it I just feel so calm, so relaxed. It's just amazing. So doing breath work will help you with being more present, being more mindful, being more aware. It will help you to be more relaxed, more peaceful. It will also help you, also just taking deep breaths in general more often, will help you to be more focused, to be more confident, better social skills. And you need this in every area of life. So I really advise you to check some breathing techniques out. You don't have to do the Wim Hof breathing. You can also look at other breath work, other breathing techniques. Just give it a try. That's it. Put it to the test and see it for yourself if you like it or not. Now let's do one round of the Wim Hof breathing together. Now don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take 30 deep breaths into our belly. Fully in and just letting them go. Like a sigh. Like sighing them out. 30 deep breaths. And on the last breath, we take a deep breath. And we just let it go. And then we hold on an empty lung. No air in our lungs. We just hold just like that until we feel the urge to breathe. As long as it's comfortable. And once you feel the urge to breathe, your lungs are empty, you feel the urge to breathe, take a deep breath and just hold for 15 seconds. And that's what we're going to be doing, but no worries, I'm going to walk you through this. Now, it's important that you breathe into your belly. Like, try to push it down deeply into your belly. Fill everything with air in your body. And then just letting them go. Let's start, and you can follow my hand as I tell you what to do. So just take a deep breath in, fully in. Let it go. Fully in. Fully in. Let it go. Fully in. And let it go. Fully in. Let it go. In, out, in, and out, fully in, and let it go, deep into your belly, into your chest, and let it go, fully in, and let it go, in, out, in, out. Fully, let it go. Fully, let it go. Fully, just let it go. Stemmen. Fully, let it go. In, out. 5 more. In, out. In, out. Give it all you got. Fully in, let it go. Fully in, let it go. Fully in, let it go. Okay, last breath. Fully in, just let it go. And now hold. Hold your breath on an empty lung. Just close your mouth. Just be aware of your body. You can close your eyes. Just be here right now. Become aware of your body, of your heart pumping. Realize how peaceful you are right now. Let that relaxation spread into your fingertips, throughout your body. When you feel the urge to breathe, take a deep breath in and just hold for another 15 seconds. If you want to prolong your breathing, you can just stop the video and continue when you feel like the urge to breathe. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, take a deep breath and just hold. But you're full with lungs, your lungs full, filled with air. Just hold for another 15 seconds. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let it go. And that was one round of the Wim Hof breathing. It's quite good, isn't it? You feel it probably quite different than you felt before. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your presence. I hope that this video was helpful for you. All the love towards you. I really recommend trying some of these breathworks out. It It's really life changing. It's truly amazing. They are just great. So thank you for being here. Have a great day and goodbye.